Today I will compare two CPU in this video, so keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. CPU type desktop. Instruction set x86 to 64. Codename Raptor Leg Refresh and Zen 5 Granite Radius. Interrogated GPU UHD graphics 770 and random graphics. Process size 10 nanometer and 4 nanometer. Transistor 3400 million. Peak temperature 100 degrees Celsius and 95 degrees Celsius. Next, performance. Total core 20 and 8. Total threads 28 and 16. Performance core and performance thread 8 and 16. Efficiency core and efficiency thread 12. Bus frequency 100 MHz. Base frequency 3.4 GHz and 4.7 GHz. Turbo boost frequency 5.6 GHz and 5.2 GHz. Multiplayer 34x and 47x. L123 cache 80 KB per core, 2 MB per core, 33 MB shared, and 80 KB per core, 1 MB per core, 96 MB shared. Next, iGPU. GPU base clock 300 MHz and 400 MHz. GPU boost clock 1600 MHz and 2200 MHz. Shading units 256 and 128. Texture mapping units 16 and 8. Render output unit 8 and 4. Execution units 32 and 2. Thermal graphics power 15 watt. Next, memory. Memory type GDDR5 5600 MHz, GDDR4 3200 MHz, and GDDR5 5600 MHz. Memory size 192 GB. Max memory channel dual channel. ECC support yes. PCI Express Zen 5 16 lens CPU only and Zen 5 24 lens CPU only. Chipset